Thank you everyone for love and support. If you don't want to listen my voice, you can simply turn down the volume. Today I'm very happy because today my parent want to meet my lover and I agreed. I'll tell him about it. I know he'll be very happy too. But where is he? Hi everyone, I'm Kim Taehyung, a college student. My parent loves me so much. I have a best friend named Jimin, and also some days before my crush proposed me, and of course I accepted. Now my parents know about it, and I told them they want to meet him. Suddenly T saw his lover. He smiled and about to approach him. Then he heard his lover was talking about T. T thought, what is he talking to his friend about me? Let me listen. Then T started to listen without disturbing them. Hey JK, so when are you going to break his heart? JK, don't worry, just wait until tonight. Oh, okay, you know what? I already knew it. You will win this bet. So, this is your money, man. No one can say no to you. T thought, what did he mean? And about whom they are talking about? Are they talking about me? Was I just a bet for Jungkook? No, no, T don't think like this. JK said he loves me so much. He can't do this to me. Then suddenly someone tapped him. Oh, hello, I'm calling you from so long. What are you thinking? He turned and saw his best friend Jimin. T fake smile. Oh, Jimina. Jimin noticed that T is not happy. What happened, T? You are looking sad? T entered in classroom and sat on his seat next to Jimin. T thought, I still don't believe what I heard. My love was just joke for him. Did he never loved me? But I love him. T saw JK was coming toward him, so he fake smiled at him. JK sit beside him. JK, good morning baby, I missed you so much. JK kissed his lips and looked at him. T, I missed you too. JK happily, I knew it baby. I have to say something to you. Meet me after class, okay? JK just nodded. T thought, please Cookie don't say anything that will break my heart. I really don't want to listen. Can't you just love me like I do? Whole the tea was staring at JK. JK noticed it, but he let it go. Time skipped. JK was waiting for tea in bathroom. After some moments later, JK saw tea was coming. As soon as tea entered, JK pulled him and entered in one of the bathroom. Tea nervously. What are you doing, Cookie? Loving you? JK started to bite his lips. T, why are you in hurry? Where are you going after that? JK, I don't know if we will be like this or not. T looked at him confusedly. T, what do you mean? What will happen after that? I'll be always yours, so. JK, baby, just enjoy this moment. JK again kissed him passionately. T thought, so that was right. You were talking about me. Tonight you are going to break my heart. How can you do this, Cookie? You know how much I love you. Even I told my family about it. How could you? A tear fell from his eyes. Time skip at beach. They were walking, but T's heart was beating so fast cause he knows what will JK say. After half an hour, they got tired and slept next to each other. T, I'll never forget this moment. I love you. JK looked at him and smiled. I love you too. JK kissed his forehead and pulled him closer. JK, T, T, hmm? Now T's heart was beating unlimited. He can't stop JK now. He got scared cause of breakup with JK, but he just nodded. JK started to say, T, baby, first of all, I love you so much. Whatever I'll say, just don't compare my love with that, cause my love is pure for you. JK, first day when I saw you, I thought you are the same boy like others who will attract with me and will be ready to spend a night with me. But I was wrong. You just rejected me. Then my friend. T, well, what? I was just. JK, let me finish. For my friends, it was just a bet. But for me, I really started to love you deeply. That I know I love you more and more. Now I can't even think about separate. I know that was a bet, but please just don't hate me. JK saw T's eyes were teary. He wiped his tears and said, JK, will you forgive me and accept me, please? T, I don't know. JK started to sob. JK, baby, please don't say like this. I said the truth. Please just give me one chance. I want to love you. Please, T, let me love you.